welcome to another episode of Sous Chef. Sorry, it's been a while. I know you all have missed me. I have missed all of you. Today's episode is dedicated to the love of my life. Not a day goes by without me thinking of it. I'm talking, of course, about kimchi! 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 Sure, you can go to the market and buy plastic tubs of kimchi if you're into that. But I'm telling you guys, there's nothing better than freshly made kimchi from scratch with fresh ingredients made with love. Step up your side dish banchan game with me and let's go make some kimchi. But first, let me show you all the ingredients. These are the ingredients. Napa Cabbage, Pear, fish sauce, Minced Ginger, Minced Garlic, shrimp paste, red pepper, sugar, apple. You'll also need water, rice, red chili pepper powder, and onion. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's go make kimchi. Our first step is to wash the Napa cabbage, then cut into bite-sized pieces. Sprinkle about 1/3 of a cup of salt to evenly cover your cabbage and mix. Let this sit for about an hour to wilt out the cabbage. While your cabbage is soaking, we can work on making the actual sauce. The order of the ingredients doesn't matter. I just broke up the steps like this because I didn't have a large enough blender. You can definitely just blend it all in one go if you can. I peeled and cut about 1/4 of a whole pear and 1/4 of a whole apple. Added 2 tablespoons each of minced garlic and ginger, then blended. The next blend included 2 tablespoons each of shrimp paste, fish sauce, and white rice. Yes, white rice! This is to give it a pastier, thicker texture. Next, cut 2 red bell peppers, half an onion, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/2 cup of water. Next, drain out your saltwater cabbage from earlier. Now you're ready to pour your finished blended mix. Throw in 2/3 of a cup of red chili powder to the batch and mix well. Store it in a container, refrigerate, and let it ferment for about 2 to 3 days minimum for the best taste. Congratulations! You just made delicious homemade kimchi with fresh ingredients. So good. Hope you all enjoyed this family recipe for homemade kimchi. Try this at home and tell me what you guys all think, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye! Plastic container kind of kimchi. Kimchi! Oh. So good! Try this recipe and tell me what you think. No. I need more wine. Nothing beats freshly made from scratch kimchi than fresh kimchi with ingredients. Yeah, the one helps a lot.